Hello everyone, this is Mike, Canada's Earthquake Report, October 9th today, and 2012. And I'm going to get started. I got something going on. There we go. You can see a fairly significant earthquake, Barry Inlet, Haida Gwaii, or Prince Rupert Island, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, you can see it here. It was a pretty good one because it went off the scale and stayed off the scale. I'm not even going to attempt to figure out what it is. And maybe when this new seismic monitoring comes along next week, we'll find out. Um, yeah, so that's just right now what's going on there. Let's try, I'd like to show you a different site. And this is IRIS and another seismic site, and I'd like to show you what's going on there. So November 8th, and that's what day it starts off here. Of course, we had a couple of 4.5s off Vancouver Island region, and they've only got one posted here, but I'll show you later there's two. And also 6.3, and that happened on the 8th also, which was yesterday. This is being taped on the 9th, late morning, early morning. So this is yesterday for me, and for you, I guess, then. So yeah, and as we can see, I'll scroll down the map here, right to the very bottom. And this gives us how many earthquakes we've had since the big one, the 7.8. They got it registered here. We got 102 earthquakes of 4 and better on Haida Gwaii since October 28th. So that's quite a few fairly significant earthquakes. That's 100 in a matter of in 9 days, 10 days. That's pretty good. Hey, we almost got a record there, I'd say. Okay, let's take a look at some more information here. And this is what the map looks like, looking at it from the RSIS. And as you can see, we've had another small one right here, 4.5, that's the one showing. And then the bigger one at 4.3. And then of course we have a 4.5 over in Iowa, or Idaho I mean. That's Yosemite National Park. Yellowstone I think is right around in that area. So that's fairly significant. We also had a 4.3 off the coast of Northern California, and there's been one here, 4.2 off the coast of Oregon, and that was yesterday also. So yeah, it's been pretty busy. Baja California had a 4.3, and that was, excuse me, what was that again? That was on the 4th of November. And then of course all the ones around the Ring of Fire, and all of them are 4s and 5s, and even the odd 6 I think in here. No, not yet. Quite a few though, lots of them. Okay, so let's get on to a little bit more here. I'd like to show you, this is Natural Resources Canada. And they put up a few posts for yesterday, the 8th. We got a 4.4 and another 4.4, so that's the two off the coast of Vancouver Island. And then another one at a 5.9, and that was registered as a 6.3 on other sites. So you got those three for yesterday. And of course on the 7th you had a 2.9 over in Pond Inlet, Baffin Bay, that's way up north. Another one, this one here is way up north also. This is in Ontario, the 4.2, and then they 10 to 3.8 in Resolute, and then they miss a hunk here for quite a ways. They're changing their seismic monitors out on Haida Gwaii, so hopefully we'll have a lot better information coming in. So we'll kick this up a couple, take a look, see what's going on. This is the one that was in Resolute, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, and 3.8. So then there's a couple more. This is the one over in Baffin, Pond Inlet, and then of course we have the ones over that happened last week in Quebec and Ontario. Then we got these couple here. This is the 4.4 and the 6.3 or whatever you want to call it off Vancouver Island. And then these other ones here, let's take a look. Yeah, those are the 4.4s. Yeah, off Gold River. That's off the island. Take a look at this one here. Yeah, it says the same thing. Okay, so as you can see, things are still going, and nothing too traumatic yet. The whole Ring of Fire's rocking hard. Had a big one over in Mexico there, or down in Uganda, or no, New Guinea, whatever. It was 7.8 or something like that. So yeah, there's been a lot going on. Okay, this is Mike, Earthquake Report. November, I'm sorry, 8th, and I'm going to call it the 9th. Thank you, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.